Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some changes and updates for 2023 that I've made to my advanced trucking company business plan template. So without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this PowerPoint presentation real quick, and so y'all have a better understanding of some of the updates that I've made. So the first thing that I updated was the industry research. So it's real important to have updated industry research in a business plan. So what I did is when I went out to my IBIS world that I've got a subscription to, did a little bit of research, and I summarized the information that I found in succinctly. And I updated the industry research section of the trucking company, the advanced trucking company business plan template. So now it's reflecting updated revenues, updated profits, updated profit margins, updated businesses, updated employment, updated wages, updated growth estimates, updated previous growth estimates as well. So all the good stuff has been updated now to reflect the current research that I have available to me. The next thing that I did was I added a best case, worst case pro forma financial projections for the next 5 years. So typically, most business plans, most business owners submit business plans for the trucking company with just one set of projections showing what they think they're going to do for the next 5 years for the pro forma financial projection. However, everybody knows those numbers are wrong. So to add a little bit more meat to the bone, add a little bit more depth, what a lot of people are doing more and more are adding a best case and worst case pro forma financial projection. Not only are you showing with the typical pro forma financial projections what you think your revenues are going to be, but you're also showing with the best case scenario, hey, if everything goes well and your business does better than you think, here's what the profits and the costs are going to be. Also, if there are some challenges out there, if we do go into this recession and we hit some roadblocks, well, here's what we think our revenues are going to be for the worst case scenario. So not only are you giving them what they expect in the pro forma financial projections, but now you're also providing a range of the best case, worst case, and you're able to show them that you understand how the exterior of your business may impact your financials. All right, so hopefully that information is going to be helpful for you. So in summary, if you do get my advanced trucking business plan template, it does come with the Word document. It also comes with the basic financial model. Just keep in mind that the template is not compatible with Google Docs, not compatible with Apple products. And then finally, there is no free phone support. If you have questions before you buy my advanced trucking company business plan template, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to have a great conversation with you. However, after you purchase my advanced trucking business plan template, if you do have questions, I do charge for mentoring services, or you can go to my free business plan tutorial webpage, which is right here, and you can check out the tutorials, and those are really good to help you better understand how to use the templates that I do offer for sale. If you do want to buy my advanced trucking company business plan template, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with the templates and the tutorials, you just want a custom business plan written for you, or you just want your pro forma financial projections done, be delighted to do so. Check out my prices page right here. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, stay safe, and have a great day. Thank you.